All right, so I've got two of these little baby cannas that jumped ship. They came outside of the rock wall here. So the question is, can you dig these out and replant them? 100% you can. So I just dug down there to see where the bottom was. Now this first one I got out pretty well. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to come over here to another spot. Just use a screwdriver and just dig down a hole there and then put it down in there, recover it up with, the dirt and the soil and everything and get it back in there really well. And then this second one that I went to, I actually, as I was digging it out, I accidentally broke it off from the bulb part, the roots at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and take this up, and here's what I'm going to do. We're going to see if these little babies can make it. I'm going to go ahead and take these, and again, just take your screwdriver, and you want to space these out quite a bit. They planted these. I didn't plant these. Those are way too close together, by the way, but we're going to go ahead and plant this one, and then I'm going to dig a separate hole for just the root part, and I'm going to see if that will actually take off and grow another little one right there. Now, while you're down there, go ahead and pick up any sticks or twigs or any kind of debris. Just get that out of your garden right there. And right here is that little bulb that I planted. It actually is growing right there. This has been about 2 weeks since I took that first video and replanted those. And look at just how beautiful these are. I just don't remember them coming up this quickly. I think it's because of that miracle grow for, flowering plants, but wow, these just look amazing. I cannot wait for these lilies to bloom. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.